last time I was outside, the snow had the nerve, the audacity to slam me in my face, that snow. It came at me from the sideways. And I plan to go out there and give that snow a piece of my mind. I'm going to tell that snow never to do that again to me. It hurt my feelings. I'm going to go out there and teach that snow a lesson. Let me show you.
Oh, jeez.
Getting to know you, getting to know all about you. For the love of God! Unparalleled in the history of Chicago, and that's the only car ever seen again.
Just as the snow seems to absorb sound waves.
Baha, 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 baha.